Is the GT50 drone actually a powerful camera drone for everyday creators? Or is it just another overhyped gadget being pushed online in 2026? After putting the GT50 through a full series of camera, stabilization, flight range, and video quality tests, the results turned out to be a mix of impressive moments and a few noticeable limitations that buyers should know about. The built-in camera delivers fairly sharp footage in good lighting conditions, producing videos that look clean and usable for casual content, social media clips, and basic aerial shots. But when lighting becomes challenging or shadows appear, the quality can start to lose some detail and dynamic range. Stabilization is one area where the drone performs reasonably well for its category. The gimbal does a decent job smoothing out small shakes during normal flight, and the footage remains watchable even when the drone changes direction, although fast movements and stronger wind can still introduce a bit of jitter. In terms of flight range, the GT50 maintained a stable connection at moderate distances during testing, which should be more than enough for casual users filming landscapes or short aerial clips. But it doesn't feel like a long-range professional drone designed for extreme distances. Battery performance also landed somewhere in the middle, offering enough flight time for several short shots before needing a recharge, though heavy camera use and aggressive flying can drain it quicker than expected. Overall, the GT50 drone shows that it can handle basic aerial filming and stable flight reasonably well, but it also reveals that some of the marketing hype may exaggerate its capabilities. It's not a complete disappointment, yet it's also not a revolutionary drone, making it a device that might suit beginners and casual flyers, more than serious aerial filmmakers looking for top-tier performance.